Imagine making money online, easily. Picture yourself in a cozy home office or even on a beach with your laptop. The freedom to work from anywhere is not just a dream, but a reality for many. The internet has opened up countless opportunities for people to earn money without the constraints of a traditional job. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or replace your 9-to-5 entirely, the possibilities are endless. No more boss, no commute, no rigid schedules. Imagine saying goodbye to the daily grind, the rush hour traffic, and the endless meetings. Instead, you can set your own hours and work at your own pace. The flexibility of working online means you can balance your work with your personal life, giving you more time to do the things you love. Just you and your computer. All you need is an internet connection and a device to get started. Whether you're at home, in a cafe, or traveling the world, you can work from anywhere. The digital age has made it possible for anyone to become their own boss and create a sustainable income online. This is possible with the Legacy Builders program. Our comprehensive system is designed to guide you every step of the way. From learning the basics to mastering advanced strategies, we provide all the tools and resources you need to succeed. Our expert instructors and supportive community are here to help you achieve your financial goals. It's a simple system that anyone can learn. You don't need to be a tech genius or have a business background. Our easy-to-follow tutorials and step-by-step guides make it accessible for everyone. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or someone looking to make a career change, the Legacy Builders program can help you achieve your dreams. You don't need experience or a lot of money to start. All you need is the willingness to learn and the determination to succeed. Our program is designed to be affordable and accessible, so you can start building your online business without breaking the bank. With our proven system, you can start seeing results in no time. With just 2 hours a day, you can build a real income stream. Imagine dedicating just a small portion of your day to something that can change your life. Our program is designed to fit into your busy schedule, so you can work at your own pace and still achieve great results. Whether you have a full-time job or other commitments, you can make it work. Stop dreaming about financial freedom and start living it. The Legacy Builders program is not just about making money. It's about creating a lifestyle that gives you the freedom and flexibility to live life on your own terms. Imagine being able to travel, spend more time with your family, and pursue your passions, all while earning a steady income online. The Legacy Builders program is your ticket to a brighter future. Don't wait any longer to take control of your financial destiny. Join our community of successful online entrepreneurs and start building the life you've always dreamed of. With our support and guidance, you can achieve financial freedom and create a legacy that will last for generations. The Legacy Builders program is an online training program designed to empower individuals with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the digital marketplace. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone with some experience, this program is tailored to meet you where you are and help you grow. It teaches you how to sell digital products effectively. You'll learn how to identify profitable niches, create compelling products, and set up your online store. The program covers everything from the basics of product creation to advanced marketing strategies. One of the standout features of the Legacy Builders program is the potential to earn 100% commissions. This means that every sale you make, the profit is entirely yours. This can significantly boost your income and provide financial freedom. You learn everything you need to know, step by step. From finding products to marketing them online, the program breaks down each process into manageable steps. You'll get hands-on experience with real-world applications, ensuring that you can apply what you learn immediately. The program provides all the tools and resources you need to succeed. This includes access to software, templates, and guides that simplify the process of setting up and running your online business. You'll have everything at your fingertips to streamline your workflow and maximize efficiency. You get access to a supportive community and expert coaches. The community is a great place to network, share ideas, and get feedback. The coaches are experienced professionals who provide personalized guidance and support, helping you overcome any challenges you might face. It's the perfect opportunity to start your own online business without the risk. The program is designed to minimize the common pitfalls that new entrepreneurs face, providing a clear roadmap to success. Whether you want to supplement your income or build a full-time business, the Legacy Builders program offers a proven path to achieving your goals. Additionally, the program emphasizes the importance of analytics and data-driven decision-making. You'll learn how to track your performance, understand customer behavior, and optimize your strategies for better results. This analytical approach ensures that you can continually improve and scale your business. Many participants have already found success through the Legacy Builders program. You'll hear inspiring stories and testimonials from people who have transformed their lives and achieved financial independence. These success stories serve as a testament to the program's effectiveness and the potential it holds for you. The Legacy Builders program is not just about making money, it's about building a legacy. You'll be encouraged to set long-term goals, create a vision for your future, and work towards achieving it. The program provides the foundation and support you need to turn your dreams into reality. In conclusion, the Legacy Builders program offers a comprehensive, step-by-step approach to building a successful online business. With the right tools, resources, and support, you can achieve financial freedom and create a lasting impact. Join the program today and start building your legacy. One of the best things about the Legacy Builders program is the commission structure. Unlike traditional jobs where you might earn a fixed salary or a small percentage of sales, here you earn 100% of every sale you make. This unique structure ensures that your hard work directly translates into your earnings. Imagine the freedom of knowing that every effort you put in is fully rewarded. No more sharing your profits with a boss or a company. You are in complete control of your financial destiny. You earn 100% of every sale you make. This means you keep all the profits. Every dollar you earn goes straight into your pocket, allowing you to reinvest in your business or enjoy the fruits of your labor. This is a game changer for anyone looking to maximize their income potential without the constraints of traditional employment. This means you keep all the profits. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your bank account grow with every successful transaction. The Legacy Builders program empowers you to take charge of your financial future, providing you with the tools and support needed to succeed. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, the potential for growth is limitless. No more sharing with a boss or company. You are your own boss, making decisions that best suit your goals and lifestyle. This autonomy allows you to create a work-life balance that works for you. Whether you want to spend more time with family, travel the world, or simply enjoy more leisure time, the choice is yours. The flexibility of the program means you can work from anywhere, anytime. And the best part? You only need to dedicate 2 hours a day to see results. This minimal time commitment makes it perfect for those with busy schedules or other commitments. You can easily fit this into your daily routine, whether it's early in the morning, during lunch breaks, or in the evening. The efficiency of the program ensures that your time is well spent, maximizing your productivity and earnings. Work from anywhere, anytime, and watch your income grow. The Legacy Builders program is designed to adapt to your lifestyle, providing you with the freedom to work on your terms. With the support of a dedicated community and access to valuable resources, you'll have everything you need to succeed. Start your journey today and experience the benefits of big commissions with a small time commitment. The Legacy Builders program can be your side hustle or your main source of income. It's up to you. Use it to earn extra cash, pay off debt, or achieve financial independence. It's a flexible opportunity that fits your lifestyle. Take control of your finances and build the life you deserve. Section 5. Success Stories from Struggle to Security. Don't just take our word for it. The Legacy Builders program has helped thousands of people achieve financial success. People just like you, who were once struggling to make ends meet. Now, they're earning more than they ever thought possible. They're living proof that this program works. Section 6. Building your legacy, brick by brick. The Legacy Builders program isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building a sustainable income stream for the long term. It's about creating a legacy for yourself and your family. With hard work and dedication, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Start building your legacy today. Section 7. Taking the first step. The first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most important. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Visit our website or attend a free webinar to learn more. Your future self will thank you. Section 8. Overcoming doubts and fears. It's normal to have doubts, but don't let them stop you from achieving your dreams. The Legacy Builders program provides you with all the support you need. You're not alone in this journey. We're here to help you every step of the way. Section 9, your future starts today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. Take control of your financial future with the Legacy Builders program. Start building your legacy today. Your dream life is waiting for you. Subscribe to our channel or visit our website for more information.